Hey, chat, put yourself on the projector. Play my day list.
One moment.
So we got to prepare some launch materials for the Voice launch next week. Could you help us draft some blog posts?
Absolutely. A simple first pass. Meet Voice in the desktop app. Voice makes it easier to move work forward naturally.
What do you think
Use your
about that?
computer without breaking flow.
Let's ship it.
I got this feature idea for like some last minute polish we can do. I'm gonna ramble a little bit and then I want you to ask me some questions and push back on me.
It looks like we can get pretty far just inside the shader since it already has the audio and phase inputs.
Codex, could you go check the feature flags and make sure they're all configured properly?
Wait, there's also a new bug report in the feedback channel. Can you spin up a new thread, make a pull request, find the root cause?
Let me take a look. Found it. It was that feature flag. Totally misconfigured.
Happens.
We've got everything set for launch, right?
Yeah, I think we're ready to go.
You get the idea. Just set a goal and then tag the team for review later. I'll check in with you from my phone.
Got it. I'll create a follow-up goal for that.
And then just, make no mistakes.